Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Today let's prepare Varutharacha Chicken curry, Kerala style. This curry has a lovely aroma of roasted coconut blended with mild spices along with the chicken. So let's get to see how it's prepared. You need 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 big onions sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Then you need some spices, 2 cardamom, 3 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 big tomatoes chopped, some curry leaves and 2 green chilies, then small onions 6 to 7, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Chicken half kg. I have washed and cleaned it with turmeric. Then coconut oil and salt. The first step is to roast your coconut. So heat a pan, add in 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Then add in the grated coconut. Keep your flame medium to low. Then add in 3 shallots, finely chopped. Now add in the spices, that's cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, and fennel seeds also. Mix it well along with the coconut. You have to roast it till the color of the coconut changes to golden brown. So it will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. You need patience to do this. And then add some curry leaves. You would get lovely aroma while roasting the coconut. When the coconut starts to roast to golden color, now add in the masala powders, I mean the coriander powder and the chili powder. And give it a mix. Roast all these together for a minute. Now switch off the flame and let it cool. We have to grind it to a paste. Now heat a karai. Add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add in the onions. Saute them. in the green chilies and the curry leaves. Then add in the tomatoes, some salt, saute that for a while. Now add ginger garlic paste, saute till the raw smell goes, and cover the kadai till the tomatoes get soft. Now add in the chicken pieces. Saute the chicken along with the tomato. And add some salt for the chicken. And let it cook. Now add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, mix that well along with the chicken. Add in the roasted coconut paste, which we have grinded along with half cup of water. Mix that well along with the chicken and keep your flame medium. Now pour a cup of hot water and let that boil. Now cover it with a lid. And keep your flame in sim for 7 to 8 minutes or till your chicken is done. You see that the oil starts to separate on the sides. Now the roasted coconut chicken curry is ready. You just have to do the seasoning. So the next step is we need to add some seasoning to it. Now transfer this curry to a serving bowl. In a heated pan, add in a teaspoon of coconut oil. Then add 3 chopped small onions. And saute them till they turn golden in color. Then finally add in the curry leaves and switch off the flame. Now add the tadka to your curry. Enjoy your delicious roasted coconut chicken curry along with idiyappam or parotta, chapati, dosa or ghee rice. It has a lovely flavor and definitely you would love this. It's different from the regular chicken gravy. So do try it out and give me your feedbacks. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy cooking!